Hello everyone, this is Soni Sharma. Welcome to my channel Advait. Today I have brought the second video of patterns. So we have seen in the last video how to add 4 consecutive numbers and 4 consecutive even numbers. Today we are going to see how we can find out the addition of odd numbers without actual addition. So the question is in front of you: 1, 1 and 3, 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5, 7. So the consecutive odd numbers are given and we have to understand how we are going to add them. For example, if 1, we know the addition of 1 will be 1, but how you have to understand 1 into 1 is equal to 1. It means you have to count the number of how many numbers we are adding. Okay, you have to count the numbers and then you have to multiply the same number twice to get the answer. For example, 1 plus 3, so how many numbers we are adding? 2 numbers we are adding. So 2 into 2, 2 2s are 4, so our addition will be 4. Now 1 plus 3 plus 5, it is already given here 9, but how we are going to find out? 3 digits, not digits, 3 numbers. So 3 3s are 9. Now here we are adding 4 numbers. So 4 4s is equal to 16. Here we are adding 5 numbers. So 5 5s are 25. So here 25 will come and here 5 and 5. Understood? Here we are adding 6 numbers. So 6 into 6, our answer will be 36. So 36 we are going to write here and 6 will be here. So by using this pattern, you can find out the addition of any number of odd numbers. If we are adding any odd numbers, but they should be consecutive odd numbers. It means we are not leaving any odd number in between. Then we can easily find out the addition without actual addition. For example, if we are adding 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19 and 21. Suppose we are adding these numbers. Okay, how we are going to find out the answer? We will first check how many numbers we are adding. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So total 11 numbers we are adding. So 11 11's answer will be 121. Let's check by actual addition. 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 5 9, 9 plus 7 16. uh yes, 9 plus 7 16, 16 plus 9 25, 25 plus 11 we are going to get 36, 36 plus 13 49, plus 15 64, plus 17 81, plus 19 100 and plus 21 121. So have you seen, we are getting the same answer more easily. Okay, now see the next pattern of numbers. See the first pattern: 8 13 and 18. Students, whenever we are solving the number pattern, generally the pattern involves 4 operation: plus, minus, into, division. Okay, these 4 operations generally we use. Now if the pattern is increasing pattern, then we are using either plus or multiplication. If the pattern is decreasing pattern, then either we are using subtraction or division. Okay, now if the pattern is increasing slowly, it means the numbers are increasing but slow increment is there, it means addition is there. If the numbers are increasing at a very high speed, suddenly they are getting very big, it means multiplication is there. Similarly, if it's a decreasing pattern, they are decreasing slowly, it means it is a subtraction. If it is the decrement, the numbers are decreasing at a very high speed, so suddenly the number goes very low, for example from 50 it becoming 10, it means division is there. Okay, so now first we have to judge whether numbers are increasing or decreasing. So here numbers are increasing: 8 13 and 18, and they are not very big, not much difference between them. So we'll first find out the difference between two numbers. So 13 minus 8 we are going to get 5, 18 minus 13 we are going to get 5. It means we are adding 5 to get the next number. Okay, so here we, how many numbers we have to find out? 5 numbers. So 18 plus 5, my number will be 23, plus 5 28, plus 5 33, plus 5 38, plus 5 43. So this is the answer. Now see the next pattern. We are having the next pattern, decreasing pattern. Okay, it's a decreasing pattern. 100, 97 and 94. So the rate of decrement, the rate at which they are decreasing, I don't think it's very high. It means, I hope subtraction is there. So let's check. If I'll find out the difference between the two numbers, 97 and 100, the difference is of 3. 97 minus 94, difference is of 3. It means every time I'm subtracting 3 to find out the next number. So 94 minus 3, 91, minus 3, 88, 88 minus 3, 85, 85 minus 3, 82, minus 3, 79. So these will be the 5 answers. Now again, the pattern which is being shown in question C is a increasing pattern. 10, 16, 22 and 28. Again, not very big difference between them. So 16 minus 10, I'm getting a difference of 6. 22 minus 16, again 6. 28 minus 22, again 6. It means I'm adding 6 to find out the next number. So what will be my next numbers? 28 plus 6, 34, plus 6, 40, plus 6, 46, plus 6, 52, plus 6, 58. So these will be the 5 answers. Come to the last pattern. Again increasing pattern, 1, 4, 9 and 16. What is the difference between them? 4 minus 1, 3, 9 minus 4, 5, 16 minus 9, 7. It means I'm adding an odd number and an extra, and not extra, the next odd number to find out the answer. So 3, 5, 7. So next odd number will be 9. And then after 9, 11. After 11, 13. After 13, 15. And after 15, it will be 17. So let's find out the answer. 16 plus 9, how much? 25, plus 11, 36. Just a minute. Again, I'll write the question. 1, 4, 9 and 16. These are the numbers. And which odd numbers we are adding? Here I am adding 3. Here 5. Here in 9. 1 minute. Again, I'll write these numbers properly so you will be clear to you. Plus 3. 1 minute. Here I'm adding 3 to get 4. Here I'm adding 5 to get 9. Here I'm adding 7 to get 16. So here I'm going to add 9 to get next number. After 9, I'll add 11, 13, 15 and 17. Okay. So 16 plus 9, it will be 25, plus 11, 36, plus 13, 49, plus 15, 64, and 64 plus 17, it will be 81. So my answers will be 25, 36, 49, 64 and 81. Let's discuss few more questions. See the first question. 1, 3, 6, 10, 15. These are the numbers. So it's an increasing pattern. What is the difference we are seeing here? Pay attention. Between 1 and 3, what is the difference of 2? Between 6 and 3, 3. 10 and 6, 4. 15 and 10, 5. So it means we are adding the next number. 2, 3, 4, 5. So now I'm going to add 6. So 15 plus 6, my answer will be 21. That is this one. Okay. See the second pattern. 256, then 128, and this 64. It's a decreasing pattern, but the numbers are decreasing at a very high speed. It means division we are using here, so we have to just check by which number we are going to divide. So if I'll divide 256 by 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, and 2 eights are 16, so I'm getting 128. If I'll divide 128 by 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 fours are 8, so I'm getting 64. It means I'm dividing by 2 to get the next number. So 64 I'm going to divide by 2, 2 threes are 6, 2 twos are 4, so 32 is the answer. Now come to the last question. 9, 18, 27, 36. If you will observe carefully, it's a table of 9. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, so 9 fives are 45. So now my answer will be the last answer, that is 45. I hope the patterns are clear to you. Like, share and subscribe the channel.